Next part of this chapter is CAD and CAM. CAD means computer aided design and CAM means computer aided manufacturing. So CAD CAM technology was initiated in the aerospace industries, but presently it is spreading at a rapid pace in all industries. It can be defined most simply as the use of computers to translate a product specific requirement into the final physical product. CAD-CAM system is ideally suited for designing and manufacturing mechanical components of free-form complex three-dimensional shapes. Means here we can produce a geometrical representation of any shape that can be either 2D or two-dimensional or 3D or three-dimensional. CAD, a design process using sophisticated computer graphics technique backed up with computer software packages to aid in the analytical, development, costing and ergonomic problems associated with the design work. The advantages of CAD system. Drawing can be produced at a faster rate. Here the drawings of anything that could be produced within some minutes or some hours also. Drawing produced by CAD system are more accurate and neat than a manual drawing. Means here the dimension and the parts are very clear. In this system there is no repetition of the drawing. CAD system assimilates several special drafting techniques which are not available with conventional means. Here special drafting techniques are used. Design calculations and analysis can be carried out quickly. With CAD system, superior design forms can be produced. CAD simulation and analysis technique can drastically cut the time and money spent on prototype testing and development, often the costlier stage in the design process. Using CAD system, design can be integrated with other discipline. Means here we can get a complete view of the component before making it practical. Means the complete view can we get from the computer also. CAM system or computer aided manufacturing concern any automatic manufacturing process which is controlled by computer. Means like in industries, all the processes which are involved like material handling, material processing, producing the parts, packaging, then marketing, then cost calculation or inventory calculation, all these things can be done automatically by the help of computer by this software, that is computer aided manufacturing. The most important elements of CAM are CNC manufacturing and programming techniques, computer controlled robotics manufacture and assembly, flexible manufacturing system that is also known as FMS, computer aided inspection or CAI techniques, computer aided testing or CAT techniques. The advantages of CAM system. The product obtained is in superior quality, means we can get a very good quality of product. The manufacture from greater versatility, higher production rate with lower workforces, means less number of workers are required here. There is less likelihood of human error, as less number of workers will be involved and everything will be controlled by computer, so human error is less here. As a result of increased manufacturing efficiency, cost saving are materialized. The production process can be repeated via storage of data. Means once the data is prepared and stored in the computer, we can process that for number of times also. Software and hardware system related to CAD and CAM system. The function of CAD-CAM system are mainly determined by the software. Software usually consists of a number of separate application packages to form the desired function. The size of computer depends on the number and sizes of the packages and number of workstations. Means more number of workstations required large size of the computer. Less number of workstations required less size, small size of computer memory. Hardware is responsible for the reliability and speed of response of the system. A wide range of standard software is available and generally it is not worth developing users' own software. Applications area of CAD or CAM. For design and analysis of any product or model, we require CAD and CAM. CAD system would be suited for drawing offices where frequent modifications are required on drawing and several parts repeat. It must be remembered that it is very easy with computer to make modification and very fast to draw parts profile once its details are fed into computer. Once a drawing is entered in the CAD system, the later modification can be done quickly and detailed drawing can be prepared quickly from a general arrangement drawing. NC tapes also can be prepared by using CAD and CAM system. Storing the drawing is very convenient. Here we can store the drawing in the computer. It is very convenient to calculate properties like weight, center of gravity, moment of inertia, etc. because 3D models can be easily produced here. It is also possible to carry out finite element analysis by producing meshing for analysis. Means here different types of analysis like stress analysis, strain analysis, thermal stress analysis, static deflection, etc. can be done on the model by using the finite element method. Means here in each nodal point we can calculate or analyze all these things. Then elements of CNC machine. A computer numerically controlled CNC machine is a mechatronic system. Since the machine tool, which is a mechanical system, incorporated or integrated with the electronic control for its different drives and computer system for interfacing the software with the mechanical and electronic system. Means generally the CNC system is a mechatronic system where both mechanical and also the electronic and electrical parts and the software parts are involved. Hardware or electronic circuit controls the motion of the various drives. The following are some of the important constituent parts and aspects of CNC machine to be considered in their design. Before designing the CNC machine, we should consider these things: machine structure, guideways and slideways, drives, spindle and spindle bearing, measuring system, controls, gauging, tool monitoring, swap removal or the chip removal, and safety.